All right, so we got the hood here off the CRX. And like I was saying, this hood's all checked up. So obviously if we paint over that, it's just gonna come back through. So what we're gonna do is strip this down basically to bare metal, get all the old paint off, and basically start over again so that we have a good ground coat to put our top coat on. So basically today what we're gonna do is we got this aircraft stripper here. You can get this at pretty much any auto body shop, supply shop. And if you guys never used that before, wear gloves. If you get that on your skin, it's gonna burn, it sucks. If it gets on anything else, any other part of the car, it'll eat right through the paint. And so be careful with that. So what we're gonna do is basically, I'm gonna run a tape edge along the edge of this panel here. And the reason we're gonna do that is, for some reason, the paint stripper doesn't react with the tape too bad. So what that's gonna do is when that paint stripper gets to the edge, it's gonna keep it from rolling over the edge and eating all the paint underneath the underside of your hood, which if you don't plan on repainting the underside, you're gonna have to if you don't tape the edge. So I'm gonna get this ready, get it masked up, and show you what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do here is I got a piece of 80 grit. Basically what I'm gonna do here is just kind of scuff it up good. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna open the pores up, and it's gonna allow that paint stripper to basically do its job faster. Save a little bit of time. Seems to work a little better if you do this step. We're gonna scuff it all, scratch it up good. So you don't need to go crazy on it, you're just trying to scuff it up to really get those scratches in there. And believe me, if you do this step, it'll save you a lot of time. Your stripper will work really well. I've never stripped the hood this old before, so we'll see how it goes. I can't stress this enough. This stuff is very, you don't want to get on your skin. I've had it on my skin. It sucks. It burns. So wear gloves. Wear 2 sets of gloves. Like these gloves here, like it'll eat through these real easy if you get it on there. And take extra precaution. You know, if you put some paper on the floor to catch the paint stripper. And yeah, let's get to it. I don't even barely have it on. It's working quick, so you can see it already just starting to bubble up there. It takes about 10-15 minutes. So after you've got it spread on there, if just put a piece of paper over top of it, and what that's going to do, it's going to keep all those solvents in there, and it's going to work even better. Maybe a little more. Yeah, it's actually working. 10 minutes or so. So we're gonna uncover it. Alright, so it's been another 10 minutes or so. You can see the rest of it's pretty much just bubbled up there. So we're pretty much, I think we're pretty much gold. If you don't get all of it off, it's okay. We gotta sand this hood anyway. Alright, all finished. This is what the finished product would look like. Like obviously there's still a bit of paint, so obviously from taping that edge. Still a little bit of paint left on there, but that's okay because we still got to sand this hood, but majority of the hard work's done. 95% of the paint's off. So this next part's going to be easier. So basically what I'm going to do now is sand this whole hood with 180. And that's what that's going to do. Just this edge, it's going to sand all the rest of that paint off, and it's going to scuff the metal to give us good adhesion to put our ground coat on. All right, everything's dried up now. So what I meant to say was the stripper is water soluble. So once you're done, basically you're gonna take it, wash it all off with a hose. Like I was saying, if you do get it on your skin, just wash it with soap and water right away and it'll break it down. So this has been washed with soap and water. And so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna sand this whole panel with 180. So basically, it makes it really easy, you know. So you're just basically trying to do that. So that's why we tape that edge there. So see how easily that edge is sanded off. So now we can back tape it here. And I do plan. All right, here's after everything's been sanded with 180. So now this hood is basically ready for primer.